Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria Burgos from Jolie the Lashes, and today I filmed a get ready with me. I hope you all will enjoy. You'll see some hair products that I use, and you'll also see a different makeup routine that I'm not used to. So yeah, if you want to know how I got this, please continue watching and let's get started. Okay, so to start off, I'll be taking some water and just running it throughout my hair like this. I'm only refreshing my curls because yesterday was a wash day, but I need to saturate my hair just a little bit more because I have low porosity hair, which means my hair doesn't really take to moisture that much, so I kind of have to drench it. And then I take a wide tube comb because you're really not supposed to detangle your hair with anything else but a comb. I know they have like those little wet brushes and stuff like this, but these actually do damage to your hair. So then my next step, I'll be taking the Shea Moisture Purifying and Hydrating Buildup Blaster. Now this is good for, let me get this off first of all. This is good for if you have like buildup from product on your hair, and even if you have dry scalp, like it makes your scalp a little bit more healthier. Take it, you want to reach the scalp. So it's got this nice little tip. So make sure you get all up in there. Shake it. Sorry, I gotta shake it just a little bit because there's like activated charcoal and that sits at the bottom. So make sure you give it a good shake before you use it. And then kind of just work it in there. Okay, so before I had wet my hair to dry it because I normally like wet it in the shower and I was just using the spray bottle to like re-wet it. I take a microfiber towel to dry it because it's better for your hair. You can do this or a t-shirt to not strip your hair. That's why they recommend it. I stole mine from my mom because she doesn't need it. But you can get them at like Walmart or anywhere. Pretty affordable. Okay, so after that I start with my leave-in conditioner, and I'll be taking the Blueberry Bliss Curls leave-in conditioner, and I'll be adding a small amount because you are just refreshing your curls, or in my case refreshing your curls, then you only need like a quarter size amount of product. But the oil I use is the Argan Oil of Morocco. It's the extra penetrating oil for dry and coarse hair. My hair's really not that coarse, but I like it because like it says, penetrating, like it gets in there. And I already told y'all I have low porosity hair, so this is very moisturizing for my hair. I just take a little bit like that, and I go the same way I did with the leave-in. I take a little bit more just to apply at my ends because the ends are very crucial when it comes to your hair. That's why it's good to always remember to get your trim every 6 months, you know. Now that's done. Okay. I have two products that I can't choose right now, so I'm just gonna use them both, but you don't have to use them both, I'm just being extra. So I use Miss Jessie's Multicultural Curls and then the Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activated Cream. You don't have to use both, but this one smells really good, and then I like the way this leaves my hair. So, but notice how I'm only taking like a pea-sized amount of each product because, like I said, wash day was yesterday. I already have somewhat of product in my hair. And I try to wash my hair, how much do I try to wash my hair? Like at minimum once a week. Like I don't try to, when I'm wearing my curls, I only wash them once a week. Okay, so I'm done with my hair. Okay, so makeup. I'll be taking the Badescu skincare spray to prep my skin in a way. And it smells so good. Oh my goodness. It smells like, well, yeah, lavender. Because it's facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. And it just gives like a really good, nice. So to prime my face, I'll be taking the Smashbox Photo Finish primer. It's a primer and a moisturizer, and I was recommended this because my skin is so dry right now with this weather. I don't know, is it a prompt or how does it? Oh, it looks like that. Okay. But I only got the test sample because I'm literally only testing it out. I don't really want to. It doesn't smell like anything. It says apply 1 to 2 pumps, which I did. Use your fingertips. I was already doing it. I was already doing it the way I was supposed to. We're gonna go with Maybelline. Sorry, Cover FX. Maybe I'll put you in just a little bit, honestly, because I feel like once this dries down, it's gonna oxidize a little bit. Next, I'll be taking the Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer. I don't know which, oh, in the shade Light Warm. It looks like this. And let's see how she's gonna wear it. This is my first time actually like trying it. Let this sit. So a trick to, if your pencil is, I guess, not like as pigmented as possible because it's kind of streaky, take a lighter and warm it up just a little bit. Oh my god. Ow! That hurt! That was hot wax. It just landed on my leg. Oh my god. Okay. Only do it a little, gosh. So I filmed my brows off camera because I have a tutorial already. So if you want to check it out, it's gonna be up here. So yeah. Now I've let my concealer sit long enough. I'm just gonna blend it out, and we'll pick up from right here. Oh, I let it sit too long. It's not wanting to blend out anymore. Granted, this is my first time trying out this concealer. I did not know what I was in store for. That's as good as it's gonna get. Now I'll be taking in the RCMA No Color Translucent Powder to set my face. I really like this this translucent the RCMA setting powder because you do not get any type of flashback, so that's always a plus. Now I'm about to take some of that just to prime my lids because I have concealer on it. We're about to get into some eyeshadow, my favorite part. I'm about to set the rest of my face with the RCMA setting powder. I'll be taking the Morphe, what is it, E41 brush to do it. And just a light pat because since my skin is still so dry, I don't want to overdo it with setting powder. The setting powder can definitely dry out your face. So I already know I'm about to contour my face with the Urban Decay Naked Skin Shapeshifter. I always just call it their contour palette because this is like the only thing they have for bronzing. And I'm just taking a Morphe brush that's been through some stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking this one, popping it right in my crease. Okay, then I'll be taking the shade right here and mixing it with this, going lower in my crease. Okay, so I blended this eye, same as this one, off camera. And now I'll just be taking Stark by Urban Decay. Excuse me. Urban Decay Basics. It's the Naked 2 palette. It's this one right here. I'm packing that all on my lid. I just wanted something simple. Like I wanted my eyes to be like a pop of color today, but like not too much. I really should have just, I don't know what I was thinking, but we're gonna go with it. So now I'm about to apply some falsies, and before I do this, I'm gonna prep my lashes with some mascara. Try to get it as close to that lash line as you can. I really love how like lashes tie everything together, because like I would have just wore that with some mascara. I don't know. I feel like lashes up a look, but I'll be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Ashton. And you see how it is in this tube? Like it's like a nude. Looks like a nude. But when I swatch it and when it dries down, it turns more of a pink, which I don't like. Cause it looks like this, but you'll see. See how it looks like this while I'm applying it? And then when it dries, it just changes another color. For highlight, I'll be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I don't know which one I want to pick, but this is how it looks. And I'll be taking, let's try Bubbly and Dripping in Gold. See, y'all see how it just turned that color? It turned pink, and it really should be a nude. Like this is not the shade it should be. Or maybe it just dries down a different color. I don't know. But I really wish it was more like a nude instead of a pink. So I just kind of set my face in a way, and to make my highlight be a little bit more, I guess, into the skin, I'm taking the damp beauty blender and going back through it. So I'm taking some mascara. And applying it to the bottom of my lashes. And that is it. Okay everyone, so that completes today's look. Thank you all for getting ready with me. I didn't really want to go back and lay down my edges just because I don't want to put gel over my makeup, and you know, it looks fine. So I hope you all enjoyed this, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. This video is brought to you by Khareem Productions, and I'll see you next time. Bye!